This is the way to Syntheri rocks, and just behind me you can see the entrance. It says Kali Uli Samrakshita Pradesha Syntheri rocks ki Atmiya Swagata. Okay, so I have my YouTuber with me here. So cool. Beautiful long trees here, very long trees. Beautiful location. Beautiful location. See the shots here. You need to actually pay some charges here. So this is the revised rates here. So adult you need to pay 50 rupees per person, and children you need to pay 25. Bike is 30 and car 50 and minibus, So you need to pay this here, and the timing is actually open is 8:30 and it closed by 5 o'clock. So as you reach here, you get this place here. This is the place where you can actually park your vehicles here. We have parked our van here, and here there is some play stuff here for the children to play, and beautiful long trees here, the teak trees here, teak wood, and there's washrooms for the tourists who come here. And there are parking places. So we just go and see what exactly you can actually get from here. So good location, very good, very nice, and looking beautiful because of this long teak trees. This is called dike rock. A dike is a Hypa igneous rock which cuts across the host rock. The cup-like structures in the sample called pounding marks were used by the ancients for grinding rocks rich in gold. I just need to say that there are almost 260 steps that you need to actually climb down in order to go to see this Syntheri rocks. There are few rocks they have kept for display for the people to see. These are some of the old rocks. Yeah. Oh, this is metamorphosed volcanic igneous rock. Okay. schistolite. This is the cleaved metamorphic rock which is formed by low temperature regional metamorphism. It's a beautiful location. You can actually see this beautiful location with this waterfalls from this cliffs here. Yeah. Ah, okay. This is nice. It says swimming is dangerous here. Number of person ignored this instruction and they have been dead. 14 of them. Don't become 15th. Right, swimming is dangerous. Can't swim here. So if you can closely watch this, the small holes near this, and you can see these pigeons made their homes here. So beautiful. So this is my friend Joshua here. We're just heading back. So it's always easy getting down on the steps. Climb back is always a hard thing when you want to see a waterfall. With his energy climbing back again, seeing God's nature. With his energy climbing back again, seeing God's nature. I feel I burned almost 10,000 calories today. because my dietitian and my fitness coach always gives me limitations on saying you need to do this much of workout, and I have accomplished that task today, so they must be really happy. Thank you, Anshuman Singh. I've not been tracking my diet or workouts regularly, but every time Anshuman keeps telling me, that's my fitness coach, keeps telling me you need to do this workout, you need to track it. So today the nature has tracked my calorie count and almost done it. So Bipin is having a hard time. It's just because recently he had met with an accident, and he had actually
done a
hip surgery, and for him to climb back, it's actually a difficult task. But he's on his hard work, doing his work for his channel, and the subscribers need to respect this and then keep sharing his work and the hard work that he takes. So my subscribers, please go through his channel. His channel is a Malayalam channel. If you know them, if you like the nature of the work that they do, please go and subscribe to their channel and contribute for their work.